In today's video, I wanted to share a couple of design tips with you in case you have an entryway you feel like you don't know how to decorate it. Specifically, when you come into your home, you have a lot of doors to the left and to the right. You don't really have a lot of wall space. You are stuck and unsure of what to do with this space. If this is your layout, this video is for you. Let me tell you, I completely understand. I'm gonna show you a layout that I had when I was in my townhome. When you first entered into my home, I had to the right a coat closet. Then to the left, I had the bathroom, it's a powder room. And then if you go down a little bit to the right, I had a den where you could come in and just like sit and talk and look at TV. And then further down, I had my craft room. And then at the end is where you can go into the garage. I had a lot of doors. This is specifically the layout that I'm referring to. So what could you do? Before we move forward, I just wanted to share something that I've noticed. A lot of people seem to be struggling as far as like coming up with the color scheme for their room. So I created a color guide that will help with this. I'll put the link to the color guide in the description box below. Click on it whenever you're ready. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tresha. For those that are new, I am your interior design strategist and coach, here to help you create strategies and design a space that feels just like you. The first design tip is to look at the wall space you do have. If you add wallpaper or paint your walls a complementary color that reflects the mood that you're trying to go for in the space, it will instantly elevate the look of your entryway. It was important for me to have calming colors, so I utilized a peel and stick wallpaper. I put it up myself and it didn't take a lot of time to do it. So if you truly don't have a lot of wall space, you could consider painting the doors. I would recommend choosing a contrasting color that will complement the look of your space. The second design tip is to enhance your lighting. When I purchased my townhome, I had the builder grade lighting and it really did not do much in my space. I decided to swap it out for something a little bit more elegant that really reflected the feel and aesthetic that I was going for in the entryway. And let me tell you, that was a game changer. The combination of adding the wallpaper and enhancing my lighting truly did the trick. There are so many lighting options out there. You can consider updating your ceiling light, or you could add wall sconces. If you're going to add wall art, you could add a picture light above it. There are so many options still available to you, so don't feel like you can't decorate it. The third design tip is to add either a runner or an area rug into the space. I can't say this enough. Almost every layout, I feel like you could either add a runner or an area rug. This is something that will instantly enhance the look of the space. If you don't want to do anything to your walls, your doors, add furniture, if you want to start with the runner, that is a great choice. There are so many options out there, so consider adding a rug to the space. Depending on your layout determines how wide or how narrow your runner or area rug will need to be. I also want to mention a bonus tip with you. You could add wallpaper or paint your ceiling. This is something that a lot of people don't even think about, is to look up and utilize the ceiling the way we use walls. I am finding a lot of people are considering this in their space, and I think you should too. You could be very creative as far as what patterns and colors to choose, a contrasting color that will really shape the experience that you're trying to have when you come home. Maybe you could add a pattern rug and then, paint the ceiling a complementary color, or you can reverse it by adding wallpaper that has a pretty pattern and then maybe a more subtle rug that complements it, but does not kind of like take away from what's being on the ceiling. You could truly be as bold or as minimalistic as you would like. It is completely up to you. You do not have to do what everybody else is doing. You just do what's right for you, what you resonate with, and that's it. There are so many solutions available for you that you can absolutely implement in a space like this. But I want to caution you, there are a couple of mistakes that I am seeing a lot of people are making, and I don't want you to make the same mistake. You definitely want to check out this video so you don't make the same mistakes.